lashes done right now. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm in the lobby about to get some wispy angel set lashes done. I'll see if I have another video from like the past when I came here to get my lashes done and like what it usually looks like before. I'll put that over this. I was actually on time for once. Check, check, check. I did everything that I needed to before the lash appointment. Clean face, everything is good. For my trip to Thailand, I'm so excited. That's like my dream trip. I've always wanted to go. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me for the maintenance. A couple things I gotta do before I go. Maybe some errands and some last minute shopping before I actually get over to Thailand and film another vlog for you guys. But that'll be another video. I hope you guys enjoy. This is kind of gonna be, I think, the intro. I think they're ready for me. We're gonna start here. Bye.
GBX on this motherfucker.
Me ligou às 3 da manhã. Quer o quê? Quer bagunçar minha cama. Ela é irredutível, essa escorpiana. Na brisa da bala, joguei MD na água. Ela sente e não para. Amo seu jeito de safar, sem tapa uma loca e pede tapa na cara. É uma diaba. Licou 4-3, deixa louco. Trouxe umas gramas de
Okay, I just finished up, guys. I got a little natural wispy angel set. They are the ultra. Was my mic just covered that whole time? Okay, but if it was, I got an ultra light mink wispy set. Angel set mapping. So yeah, this is how it looks. Really pretty. Something slight, something natural. If you enjoy getting natural things done, not too much, that's what I like, just a little oomph. Let me know by subscribing down below, because that's what we do here, not too much, just a little something, just a little sprinkle. So I hope you enjoyed the natural lashes and are vibing with them as much as I am. My girl Yuna did them for me. If you're thinking about getting your lashes done here at Beverly Mermaid Lounge, go get your lashes done with my girl Yuna. She's really fire, she's really good, and yeah, you won't regret it. Tomorrow I'm getting my manicure and my pedicure done, so that should be fun. And then I'm gonna get my braids done after that. So I'm gonna do a little errand run to Target to get some things sometime this weekend, and we're also gonna do a little like at-home beauty thing that I have to do, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, it should be fun. It should be an eventful weekend, and I'm about to go do some Uber Eats with my girl Caroline right now. I need some more money. This was a little more expensive than I expected, so let me go make my coin back and get ready for this trip. If you guys enjoyed that part of the vlog, see you soon.
Hey guys, we're making some Uber Eats deliveries right now, and yeah, we're with my girl Caroline. Hi! And we are kind of doing all right. We're not getting too many, but we're on the way. We got like a double one, so we're gonna go drop off the second person's order right now. Trying to make some bread. We're in like Culver City area right now, but I'm like really tired. I don't know why. I'm like so exhausted, lethargic, and I don't know why, but I'm just thinking about a bed right now. So after this, I might just save the packing for like tomorrow morning or something. We'll see. But yeah, you'll see what's gonna happen in the next clip. So that's the magic. I don't know. I don't know if you heard that in the video, but that was the sound of us getting a really fat Uber delivery. So we're gonna go do that right now. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for the magic, guys. I love you. Love you. Bye.
valorizado. Valorizo meu tempo contigo. Tudo bem, fico bem sem meu bem. Se não for você não é ninguém. Eu roubei o seu coração e nesse assalto virei seu refém. Tudo bem, fico bem sem meu bem. Se não for você não é ninguém. Eu roubei o seu coração e nesse assalto virei seu refém. Então vai, o teu beijo mexeu com o meu coração. A tua sentada mexeu com a minha mente. Então baby, joga essa sua raba no chão. Fala que não ama, mas eu sei que você sente. O teu beijo mexeu com o meu coração. A tua sentada mexeu com a